If you have sustained an injury while in the course and scope of your employment and missed time off from work, you're entitled to various benefits under the Minnesota Workers' Compensation Law for that wage loss. There are two types of wage loss under the Minnesota Workers' Compensation Act. The first is what we call temporary total disability benefits, or what we call TTD. What temporary total disability is we take what you're making at the time of the injury and you get 2/3 of that. The reason why you only get 2/3 is all workers' compensation benefits are non-taxable. The theory is that Uncle Sam steals 1/3 of your gross wages, and if you get 2/3 non-taxable, you should theoretically come home the same. Now, there are caps or limits dependent upon the date of your injury for high wage earners, but for the vast majority of people, you get 2/3 of your wages when you're completely off work. On the other hand, if you're working, but unfortunately you're earning less money, you're entitled to a different type of wage loss. This wage loss is called temporary partial disability, or TPD. What we do for temporary partial disability is we take what you're making at the time of the injury and we subtract what you're making. And of the difference, you're entitled to 2/3. For example, if you were making $1,000 per week at the time of your injury, but you were only able to earn $400 a week working part-time at a new job, having lost your job due to your injury, we would take the $1,000 per week that you were earning, subtract the current $400 that you're currently making, and of the difference, $600, you would get 2/3, or $400, to supplement your current income. Again, that benefit is non-taxable, so that if you combine the earnings from both the current employer plus the workers' compensation temporary partial disability, you should theoretically come home with approximately the same amount.